Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300, guys. If you have one of those and you need to find the relay for the transmission, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located now. Some of you will have a transmission relay, some of you will not. We'll explain why. If you do not have one, do not freak out. We'll explain what else you need to do, and we'll explain how to test a relay as well. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end, guys, and we'll share information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically we have the 3.6 engine right here, but even if you have a different engine, it may work as well. So this is, guys, right here, the fuse box. That fuse box has two things that you need to squish towards each other, pull out, it will open, and you have the fuses and the relays right here. The fuse that you will need to check, guys, for the transmission, some of those may have it, some may not. It depends on the configuration. But the fuse that we're talking about, it's that fuse right here. That fuse, if you have it, guys, for the transmission, it will be that fuse. If you don't have it, don't freak out, guys. It's perfectly fine, because some models will not have transmission relay. Your relay will be integrated in the engine computer practically. And if your transmission does not shift on Chrysler 300, or the transmission, guys, is stuck in park, we will explain. We'll have a special video about that. Two videos. One, why Chrysler 300 transmission does not shift, and the second video is why Chrysler 300 transmission is stuck in park. So check it out if you have problems with that. Now, if you need to buy replacement relays, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping. And if you want to see how to test the relay, we will, guys, share the link in the description of the video below for any of you needing help with that. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.